Okay guys, whenever I need to go in and edit a comment that I have made on a video, here is how I go about doing that. I'm on the YouTube's home and I go down to history, and over here on the right it says clear all, pause, manage. So manage all history. I go to comments, and this will have all the comments that I had left on the videos. And so you can just click on any of the comments that you left. So let's say I want to edit on this Love the Pink Shades. I commented on 9/31/23. Or say this was Cinnamon Stitch's video. She said she broke her leg but made some cool socks, and I commented, so sorry to hear about your ankle, but I'm really glad you're doing okay. So let's see, I can click on that video.
This is a metabolism.
Well,
this.
Okay. So I can go down where it says comments, and your comment will always be the first comment on there. And on the three little dots on the right hand side, you click that, you click edit. And so sorry to hear about your ankle, but I'm really glad you're doing okay. Let's see. The socks are really cool. Okay, so I'm going to save. And then that's all you need to do. Now, if you know of the video that you want to do, you can just go to, like if you know the name of the video. So let's go to, okay, so I'm going to go to Nona Grace. And I know that this is right there. I commented on this video. Hey, Nona Grace. Okay, so there's my comment. Sorry about your son. I will miss y'all. So you can always go to the video that you know that you left it. And you do the same thing. You click edit. And then you can say something. Love you and Jim. Hit save. So I edit it. So that's, and it shows edited right there that I edited it. There you go. Okay. So that's all you got to do. So that's how you edit. So if you want a giveaway and you're asked to go into your comment on that video, that's how you edit it, to add a word. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.